the aggressiveness of this Letran offense is what's keeping them on top
That's right.
of San Beda the entire time.
Lady Red Spikers, though, found their net defense again with 3 kill blocks in set number 2, which was working for them up until that final stretch. It was all Letran during that time. We begin set number 3. San Beda facing elimination already. And Vanessa Sari with the emphatic point. Letran is just a set away from the finals. On point in every aspect. Itong Letran Lady Knights. Isar to serve. Castillo getting the start here in set number 3. Pop-up by Netura. Here comes Sari with the off-speed. Vanessa Sari variating her attempt.
Oo, and parang hindi mahanap-hanap nito ni Coach Kung Fu yung tamang mix and match ng mga players na makakapagbigay sa kanya ng medyo maganda-gandang run.
Yeah, Castillo is now inside. Here's Eri Navarro. That's encouraging. Did that earlier in game number 2. So far, yun yung pinakamalinis na setup para dito kay Erin.
You know, whenever they get those good first balls, nakakakuha sila ng mga magagandang play na isa-set up nila ng maayos, convincing yung nagiging offense nila. But whenever hindi nila makuha ng ayos or medyo hindi okay yung pag-angat nila doon sa first ball, doon sila nagiging alanganin.
And now Letran also very potent offensively. Tatlo na para kay Vanessa Sari. All of the points of Letran in set 3 nanggaling lang po kay Vanessa Sari. A total of 8 points already for Vanet. They send it to Castillo. Outside. 4-1 start for Letran. Natalie Estrelier to begin. Again, Letran looking to advance to the finals for the 3rd straight season. Service error on net. Eri Navarro has been, again, San Beda's heaviest server today. Gia had to track that down. Fane denied this time. Judiel also shut down on the other side. So San Beda's blocking. Maagay nagpaparamdam dito sa set number 3. That's good defense.
Oo, good defense yun mula sa San Beda. In terms of their net defense, ando dun sila eh.
Yeah.
Makikita mo na they're giving it their all and they are really getting those blocks. But ang kailangan nilang isipin muna ngayon is yung how to get yung first ball. Yun yung pinakamalaking problem nila for the entirety of set number 1 and 2. Yung first ball nila and yung positioning nila dito sa court. Parang hindi nila ma-figure out kung nasan sila dapat nakapwesto para kung saan babagsak yung bola, may tao na tatanggap.
Navarro. Gia, this is a bit of work for Estrelier to get that ball. Sari will try. This time, she breaks through the barrier. 5-4 for Letran. Again, a few times nabablock na ng San Beda, but after a few attempts, Letran's attackers recovers and they read the net defense better. Jermaine Joniega off the quick attack. Ano, si Maine Joniega, meron siya niyan eh. And also produced in game
Yeah.
number 2.
Pero kailangan hanapin mo.
Hanapin.
Kasi mahihirapan ka naman na maipakita kung ano yung meron ka kung hindi ka naman nahahanap.
Kita mo, ang bilis ng bawi mula sa Letran. Their 1-2 combo. The one we featured in the pregame, Vanessa Sari and Judiel Netura.
Oh, pero gawin mo ng 1, 2, 3 kasi si Makilang activated na eh.
that's true.
Maaga na-activate ng Letran itong si Makilang. Ano? So kung ano man yung ginawa ni Estrelier dito, effective.
Attack error on Main Juniega. 7-5 lead for Letran. Palang Padilla, who has an ace already to her name. Number 5 server in the league. 18 aces in the classification round. Continues to serve heavy. Here's Castillo off the hands. This is Gia, who ad-libs and overcooks it. 6-7.
Once again, the score is 6-7.
Castillo to start. Back set. Hiponya was there. Ito na si Habakon. Angel popped up by Silva. Makilang off speed. Hiponya. Back row to Bachar. Silva sets it up. It was deflected. Erin. Oh, that's Juniega rather. Returned somehow by Letran. Angel will rise again. Ando naman si Sari sa likod. Long rally alert. Denied. Hiponya. Back to Habakon. It bounced off the net. Ito na si Makilang. Bumalik pa rin. Nitura. Bachar was there. Angel tries again. And she scores off speed. A hard-earned point for San Beda.
Oh, doon sa rally na yun, ano, kitang-kita natin doon na si Coach Kung Fu na mismo yung nagsasabi sa kanila na ibigay nyo kay Angel. Kasi after makuha ni Angel yung isang drop ball doon, sinisigaw niya na sa akin ulit, sa akin ulit.
At Sundet, Triad Stadium.
7-all. Makilang. Slow down. Flores. Digs it. Angel all arm. Not one-handed set. Too low for Isar. So San Beda will overtake here in the third set and have the lead going to the first technical timeout. On the other side of the break, we'll hear from our courtside reporter, nandyan po, si Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, ramdam na ramdam ang semifinals dito sa San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Matalo na sa lahat, wag lang sa Letran. Ayan ang sabi sa akin ni Captain Angel Habakon during Game 2 in which she shared na in her whole collegiate career, ngayon lang daw siya nanalo over Letran. Pero sa do-or-die game na ito, kanyang sinabihan ang mga teammates to be at the moment. Inisa-isa niya pa nga ang bawat players, telling them na hindi nila makakamit ang kampyon kung palagi silang nagmamadali. Sabi nga rin ni Coach Kung Fu, tandaan nyo, nakailang finals na ang Letran. Kayo wala pa, kaya trabahuhin ninyo. All for San Beda, Martin and Prince.
A resounding message from one of the most familiar faces in coaches in the country and in the volleyball scene, Coach Kung Fu.
Oo, and again, yung sinabi niya na yun na yung Letran, multiple times na nandiyan sa finals and kayo wala pa. That should have struck a nerve sa bawat isang player nitong San Beda. No? Kasi personally, kung sasabihan ako ng ganun, yun ang pinaka magiging motivation ko sa sarili ko to, you know, to push even harder and to in terms of volleyball, siyempre dito, yun yung dapat iniisip mo palagi sa tuwing babalik yung bola papunta sa inyo. Kailangan kunin ko tong bola, kailangan kunin ko to, kailangan namin makuha to para makapag-set kami and makuha namin itong game na to against Letran.
Angel Abacon is starting to feel it here in the third set. Eto siya. Naiangat ni Sari. Isar with a soft touch. Isar is one of her surprises today from the side of Letran. She continues to produce for her team. Look at that. Perfectly placing that ball.
Calculated eh. Parang calculated niya yung mga yung teammates niya kung saan niya dapat ilagay yung bola. Papaluin na lang.
Saw the numbers of Gia Makilang. Iponya had to run to set that one up. Here's Sari. Abacon. They go back to Angel here. Angel, di diskarte. Here comes Letran. To the other side they go. Drop doesn't work. Abacon again. Deep. And Letran with very active hands at the net.
Oh, mahirap nga naman yun. I mean, hanapin ka ng 4 na beses na sunod-sunod eh. Medyo mauubusan ka na ng legs dun.
That was Isar again, denying that Abacon attempt. So Letran takes over the lead. It's like a deja vu of set number 2, kung saan po nagpapalitan lang tayo ng puntos. This is gonna be saved. Vanessa sends it across. Hiponya, combination, drop. Hinabol ni Silva. Judel. Nice return. Good dig from Castillo. 1-2 play, still tracked down. But this is wide left for Estradier. We have to credit the floor defense of both teams. Silva with 2 incredible saves.
Yung sense of urgency ni Silva, no? Doon sa pagkuha ng mga bola na yon. Again, nililinis na naman po niya yung court.
Saan layo ng pinanggagalingan niya. And on the other side for San Beda, Castillo, Bachar keeping the ball alive. Hiponya. Sari. Isa pa. This is a tighter set for Vanet. And she touched the net. 11-10. Dalawa or padalawa-dalawa yung puntusan natin dito.
Kumbaga, ayaw nilang hayaan na magkaroon ng medyo komportableng run ang isa't isa.
Gia, good pass. Isar, too low this time.
That set was kind of too low para dito kay Isar, no?
2-point lead for the Lady Red Spikers. Signs of life mula sa mga bidista. As Isar commits that attack error. Pakinggan natin ang Letran.
Easy. Let's go.
One good pass, side out tayo agad, ha? Huwag na lumayo, side out na, side out. Iba!
This is the run mounted by San Beda in this stretch. You saw or heard rather, the instructions from Lara May Silva. It's always like that during Letran's timeouts. Team consultant Alexi and Lara May combining to send out the instructions. Tatlong sunod to para sa Lady Red Spikers. That'll be their longest run so far of the match. And it continues. Erin Navarro returning it to the front side.
Parang challenge niya doon si Sari, oh. Aabutin pa eh. But the thing is, inantay muna niyang lumagpas dito sa side nila bago niya kinuha.
Gracie Hiponya. Short serve by Gracie. Colendra sends it away. That's her roll. If they need instant offense and a different flavor offensively, they go to Nissan Colendra.
Dalawa lang ang madalas na nagiging contribution nito ni Colendra. No? It's either to stop a bleeding or to start a run.
Yeah.
So pag pumasok na siya, asahan nyo na isa dun yung ipoprovide niya.
Sama niya pumasok kanina si Princess Tumayaw. Bachar! Ho-ho! Janelle Bachar. Too strong. And you see here, Chacuñada alongside former Letran Lady Knights as well. Castillo. Back set for Bachar. This time, she makes sure of it.
Hindi niya nakuha sa kaliwang side. Sa kanang side naman.
Shock na puntos na para kay Janelle Bachar. Off that great setup by Gracie Hiponya. Angel now serves. Tumayaw. Colendra too strong. So San Beda now with their biggest lead. 15 to 12.
15 to 12.
Numbers from Angel Habacon. We're not showing you the non-scoring skills. She has a lot of those already. Sari. Mikay Flores picking it up. Here's Bachar. Silva keeps it in play. Sari. Easy read for Eri Navarro. 16 to 12 for the Lady Red Spikers. And they continue to roll in the third set. Welcome back to the coverage. San Beda has now built their biggest lead of the match. 16 to 12 here in the third. And Eri Navarro getting a hand on that ball to put down that necessary attempt.
Imagine, etong game na to, papitik-pitik yung nakikita natin na yung mga glimpse na nakikita natin ng offense ng San Beda. Hati kay Angel, kay Bachar, kay Navarro, kay Juniega. Pero hindi ka makakita ng sunod-sunod na magandang run.
Nissan Colendra
Diba?
with a connection right there. That's true.
Hindi nila ma-figure out kung paano sila makakakuha ng medyo okay na run. After a point, after 2 points, cut down yung run nila. Yun yung kailangan nila ma-figure out.
That was their longest run, by the way. At saka pinakamalaking abante nila. Talking about the Lady Red Spikers, but answered quickly by Colendra, who immediately went to the bench. Leonelin Palang Padilla. Single coverage on Navarro. Two straight from Letran after the timeout. Kaya na pa timeout si CKF.
Anong hindi mo maintindihan? Anong hindi mo maintindihan, Grace? Gumalaw to? O bakit bibigyan mo sa pitcher? Ako naman, hindi naman tayo nagkakaintindihan. Balik ka rin, gusto mo magpa-playan ka. Sayang kasi galong mo na pinapakawalan mo. Match up! Nakuha! Eh ba, sa tingin mo, pababayaan ako yung sa kabila yan?
That timeout was for Gracie Hiponya. And her decision-making right here, going to Navarro, who had Padilla in front of her at the net.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Kung Fu, Hindi mo naman nakitang gumalaw yung middle. Bakit mo doon ibibigay?
Ito si Gracie, binigay naman kay Bachar. And that's a specialty for Janelle Machar, that sharp cut shot.
Oo, kitang-kita mo yung buwela dito ni Batchar, ano? Buong katawan na involved. At saka medyo mahirap naman hulihin yun eh kasi left-handed siya and yung palo niya papunta sa right na may konting check ball sa bola papunta dun sa kabilang side.
Yun ang mga dangerous na attackers. Kaliweting opposite, pero yung kanan pwede rin daw, sabi ni Judiel Netura. Sending that away. 15-17 here in the third set. Hiponya, back to Janelle, and Bachar scores again. She has 11 across her name. You see the fans of Janelle Bachar celebrating in the stands.
Kanina, check ball yung binigay niya sa atin, yung mga cut shot. Ngayon, diniretso naman niya.
When you give Bachar the right height and the right timing, hirap siyang pigilan.
Oo, and
Diba?
again, last game, unstoppable siya eh.
Yeah.
At medyo nahirapan. Siya yung naging problema talaga nitong Letran nung game number 2, ano? Napakaganda ng mga setup ng San Beda sa kanya to the point na tinanggap na lang ng Letran na pag nasa kanya yung bola, eh, tanggapin natin, kailangan iangat na lang natin.
Easy, again, breathe. Gia, on high balls, don't even try to go now spike. Just do the roll shot or put the ball in the center. So they have to play high ball. Don't do mistakes now. Clear? Less mistakes, ladies. Less mistakes. Alright? Go spikes, let's go.
Team consultant Alexi addressing the situation. This is the run and our scoring sequence right now. This is how San Pedro has built this 4-point advantage. Letran right now, interestingly, 9 of the 19 San Pedro points are off Letran's errors. So that's the primary concern right now of the coaching staff.
Oo, pero yan din naman kasi yung talagang na-maximize ng San Beda. Even nung game number 2, ano, yung errors ng Letran, doon sila nagka-capitalize.
Yeah. Ping de la Cruz couldn't do it. They go to Castillo on the other side, on the line for Castillo. San Beda ahead comfortably here in set number 3. Espina cross court to China Castillo. 20-15. Gina Espina continues to play well off the bench. Makilang returned. Flores, underhand setup. Castillo with almost the same attempt. Long ball to zone 6.
Perfectly placed by Espina, ano? Again, ito yung naging problema nila, ano, yung first ball. And then now that they're getting the first ball properly, nasiset nila ng maayos. Nasiset up nila ng maayos yung kanilang mga spikers para makakuha ng good look. At least a good look para dun sa mga atake. And now they're converting.
Joe Panangin is now in the match for the first time para sa mga Letranista. 6-point lead built by San Beda after struggling in the first 2 sets. They're back. Makilang. That one was deflected. De la Cruz popped up by Silva. Estrelier to Judiel. Good reaction from Espina. De la Cruz will try again. Nando naman si Nat. Gia. Habakon. Track down. Castillo. Ooh, saved by Panangin. Makilang. Still in play. Silva was there. Oh, Judiel returned. But rally is still going. Joust. Longest rally of the match. Castillo could not swipe it out. De la Cruz. Yes! What a smart play from the rookie, Ping de la Cruz. The exclamation point on our longest rally so far. 22 to 15% better. Espina serving. Estrelier. Yen Martin, her first attempt. Chance ball. Padilla. Flores with a reaction. De La Cruz. Nando naman si Nat. Silva will bring it back to Judiel. Castillo rises off speed. Panangin saves it. Martin sends it away. More bench production for Letran. This time it's Yen Martin contributing.
Oh, ito naman yung malaking bagay para sa Letran. Ano? Whenever pinauupo nito ni coach, yung mga players niya to get a breather, yung mga pumapasok, always ready. Kumbaga pagpasok nila, ready na sila kagad to contribute kung ano man yung kinakailangan ng Letran.
Yen Martin, of course, started a lot of matches for Letran this year. Even the first 2 games of this series. Angel with a little bit of luck. Angel Habacon unintentionally used the net to her advantage. 23 to 16. Look at the celebration.
I mean,
from
that
Sandera's
deserves
side.
the celebration.
Oh, yeah. Nat, Isar, Judiel. Inangat ni Espina, but it is away and gone. Itura provides the point. Now Judiel serves. Eto si Nitura. Trying to stop the bleeding here for Letran. Overpass. Regalo para kay Yen Martin.
Naalala ko, Martin, nung game number 2, isa dun sa mga set dun, which is set number 3, yung sinabi ni Coach Kung Fu na lamang tayo ng 5. Kahit makipagpalitan tayo ng puntos, okay sa atin. Basta pumuntos tayo kasi lamang tayo. But during that game, hinabol sila ng Letran.
Yeah.
So may tendency yung Letran na habulin yung malalaking lamang na ganun-ganun lang.
Yeah, no lead is safe against this Letran team. And there is a point of a Sanbeda error.
And again, this is the set number 3. Pag nakuha to ng Letran, tapos na. So if there's something or kung meron ka pang natitirang energy sa katawan mo, dapat ibigay mo na.
Espina. Back to Angel. This is too tight. Espina. Sa kabila naman, De La Cruz with some distance. She commits the attack error. And a string of points by the Letran Lady Knights.
Masyado magagal yung bota natin ng bola. Shoot mo ng konti. Okay? Pag may pasa,
Mag-point warrior tayo!
hindi yan. Kailangan nyo ng score dito, dumidikit na. Wala na kasi tayo siya ka mag-block. Babalik sa'yo yung palo mo, hindi makakapatayan.
Tara! Hey, let's go! Hey, concentrate!
Welcome back to the coverage. 23 to 20. 4-0 run for the Letran Lady Knights. You cannot relax against Letran. This is a team that knows how to come back. Marunong kumapit at sumungkit ng mga set. Judiel to serve. De La Cruz. Silva with a track down. Martin finds the line. And the lead is down to 2. Coach Kung Fu will challenge. Hold on.
That's a very close call. Pero parang nangyari sa harapan ni Coach Kung Fu eh. So agad-agad kinol niya na yung challenge. But this is gonna be close. Really close.
First challenge natin dito sa set number 3. Sanbeda finding it hard to get the finishing touches. And this is where Letran is at their best, trying to catch up with a little bit of sense of urgency. Dito sila talaga nabubuhayan. Tingnan natin kung pasok o labas.
Oo, pero kinakabahan ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung ba't kinakabahan ako, pero napakagandang set number 3 ang pinakita ng San Beda and Letran ngayon. Ito yung deserving sa mga ganitong klase ng panahon at saka ng laban.
Oh, they call it outside by a hairline. Hold on. There's a counter challenge. Black touch naman ang i-challenge ng Letran.
Oo, baka sakali. Kasi hindi naman na nila magagamit yung challenge, no?
Yeah.
And also to stop yung momentum nitong San Beda. Kasi, again, may tendency itong Letran na kumabig, di balin sa laki ng lamang ng kalaban. Eh, nasusungkit pa nila pa minsan-minsan yung set. And pag nasungkit nila to, tapos na.
Tapos na. Again, Letran would advance to the finals. Jessica Racraqueno on your screens. Si Lapid, former team captain ng San Beda, also there. All right. These are nerve-wracking moments as we see. Nat Montesillo, Titing Manarili, O, di ba? And the Letran Knights in attendance. Cyrix Silorio, pinapanood din yung kapatid niya. Si Cyrix Silorio is part of the Letran Lady
Oo,
Knights.
tingnan mo yung celebration itong ating Letran Knights.
They were in the finals a few months
Oo.
back. Yun natin.
Uy, close. That was close. That was close.
No touch. Coach Mayen seeing it differently. But the ruling is no touch. San Beda is at set point.
Parehas, close call eh.
Yeah. Nabuhayan yung mga bedista dito sa loob ng San Andres Sports Complex.
Eto na, ang service specialist ng San Beda.
Played mostly as a libero this season. Etong si Amber Byong. Panangin. Martin. Couldn't answer. Espina. Ticket sa net. Pero buhay pa. Judial will swing. Again, Byong diving for it. Oh, Habakon. Sabi nung isang linesman may check. Pero wala daw. Pero dahil may ganong tawag, i-challenge ni Coach Kung Fu.
Wow! Grabe yung atake na yun ni Angel. Pag naitagos niya yung puntos na yan, mabigat yun para sa kanila. Buhay pa ang San Beda.
24-20. Exciting encounter in set number 3. Tsaka napakahaba din pong set.
Oo. Ito ang pinakamagandang set. So far.
So far. Better rallies. Of course, the Letran Lady Knights pocketing 2 sets already.
Oh, better rallies and less frustrations.
Oh, yeah.
Galing kay Coach Kung Fu.
Okay, may touch ba? Wala. Did not touch the hands of the blockers. So, unsuccessful challenge para kay CKF.
Medyo mahirap nga naman mapansin yun. Kung ikaw yung umaatake, siyempre ang tingin mo nasa bola, di ba? Tsaka kung saan babagsak yung bola. Hindi mo naman siguro basta mapapansin na, di ba? Yung tama sa mga daliri.
Pero maraming player magaling sumipat niyan. Matalas ang mata. Pagka sanay na talaga. Lalo si Habakon. This time she is red. They bring it to the other side. De La Cruz low on the attack. We're not yet done here in set 3. San Beda is still trying to get that elusive set point. 2 of them saved by Letran.
Number 9, Janelle Bachar.
Gracie Hiponia and Janelle Bachar are both back on the floor.
Yen Martin on the serving deck. 22-24.
Yen Martin. Jump serve incoming. Better first ball. Habakon! Denied! Ball still in play. Estrelier. Hiponia. Back to Angel. Drop ball! Inangat. Good effort from Panangin. Hiponia. Habakon. Drop ball ulit. Nandun si Silva. Oh, and this is a check. Joe Panangin with a crucial point. 3 set points saved by the Netran Lady Knights.
And that's a, what, 3-0 run?
Yeah.
They wanna end this Final Four battle with a bang. They are not giving up.
This is how hard it is to win a set from Netran. But Yen Martin commits the service error.
Too much sauce.
Yeah. And that'll mark the end of set number 3. San Beda stays alive and forces a fourth set, 25-23. We'll be back after a few reminders.
After securing the third set with a count 25.